Call your fucking cop friends. I'll fucking put them to shame too, dumbass. Where is this fucking cop at? I'll go to them. Call them over here. Why don't you come over here? You'll be on YouTube as a fucking dumbass. Along with your cop buddies. You should come up here yourself. Don't be a pussy. Come on, public servant. Wasting fucking taxpayers' money, you fucking idiot. Fucking a lady is coming to the pier talking shit to people because somebody hooked up to a bird and she's right by the pier and they're telling her she's too close, so she called the harbor patrol on us.
Yeah. They talked down a while ago.
Yeah, I don't know. Where the fucking go? Go to work! Oh, that's it, FBI. She's like 40 feet from the pier, bro. It's like the law is the law. You can't come fucking close to the pier.
No. That's you, too.
You ain't gonna do shit to nobody today.
What do you mean? I'm gonna pack it in.
Yeah. No, nobody did nothing wrong. She just got mad because we told her to get away from the pier. She's wasting fucking taxpayers' money on this bullshit. Yeah, I'm right here. Right here. I didn't know nothing for what? Nobody did anything. $200,000 a year, bro, and this is how they're wasting our money.
Are you serious?
That's how much they get paid, bro. They get
Still, you got that lighter?
This one?
Yeah. Or whatever.
It might be in the chair with the piece.
Is there anything left in that bowl?
No, we're gonna smoke a joint now. Wait, I'm sure they're calling the cops back. So
Yeah, right.
is that them? Hey, somebody, hey, cover my back. Hey, Kathy, cover my back with your phone.
you doing, sir? You doing okay? Sir, you eating it? Are you doing all right?
I don't speak to the police, man. Sorry. I know my rights, man.
Is there anything we can help you with today?
No, you guys can leave us alone and tell that fucking stupid bitch and them to leave us alone.
We got the call that you were throwing some stuff, so we just want to make
We're casting, bro. That stupid bitch was 50. We got the whole video. Hey, you guys have a good day. Bye. You guys have a good day. Bye. I know my rights, man. You guys are going to be on YouTube. You know how this goes. You gotta go fuck with me because I know my rights. You gotta fuck with nobody on the pier because we know our rights. I got the video. That stupid bitch was too close to the pier. Go back, do fucking your job. There's no crime on the fucking Redondo Beach Pier. We'd appreciate it. You guys have a good day, okay? Have a good day, all right? I don't need to respect you. I pay you. Okay, well, as long, but you're coming and just let you know you're not gonna fuck with no one today. You guys have a good day, okay? That's why I came to confront you so you don't fuck with nobody and intimidate nobody on the pier. Okay? You guys have a good day. You guys have a good day, public servants. Okay, you too. Wow. It's called casting. That stupid bitch don't know what it's called, and that's on her. Let's hear what this guy's got to say.
How you doing?
Oh, you're the fucking pussy that arrested me. McFarland, I remember you.
Yeah, you got
Yeah, you're the pussy that arrested me for fucking and violating my civil rights.
Okay.
You remember that, right? You fucking pussy. You remember that shit, right?
I remember.
You remember that. Just for having a camera in my hand, you arrested me.
Anything else we can help you with?
No, get this mother piece of shit out of here.
Listen, we'll have a good one. You have a good one. Okay?
Get out of here, you piece of shit.
You have a good day, sir. Hope you
This guy fucking arrested me for just having a camera in my hands
Can you not
and threw me to the ground.
Can you not
Don't
be too
fucking
close to
touch
me?
me.
Don't come too
Don't
close
fucking
to me.
touch me.
I'm just asking you
Don't
not
fucking
come
touch
close.
me. This is a free pier.
I know, but just don't come close.
You're not my dad, motherfucker. Who the fuck are you?
I'm just asking, don't come too close. That's all. Just keep this.
McFarland, you're a pussy.
All right,
Remember you arrested me for just having the camera in my hand?
have a good day, sir.
And then you got a video laughing, remember, you fucking pussy? And guess what? Nothing happened. Nothing happened. You little Facebook fucking... we saw your Facebook, we posted all that shit. Look at a little fucking pussy on your bike. You violate civil rights. That's why you fucking give good officers a bad name. This is McFarland. He's a fucking pussy that fucking arrested me just for having a camera in my hand at Public Works. And October 31st, I have to go to court. And guess what? November 1st, I'm gonna be in front of Public Works to show these pieces of shit that you ain't gonna violate people's rights because 10 people have been at that place since then. Hey, McFarland, don't show your face to get here, pussy. You too, bro. You might be big and shit, but you don't intimidate nobody. Without that badge, without the gun, you wouldn't be nowhere near here. Yeah, that's why. Smile, motherfucker. You're the reason cops get shot, McFarland, you piece of shit. Oath violating fucking scumbag. Hey, that motherfucking cop arrested me for fucking taking photos outside Redondo Beach Public Works just for having a camera in my hand. That short guy.
Oh, he did that before?
That's why I call him out by name, and he said, let's go.
Are you doing?
Motherfucker.